Hey everyone, Mr. Seckler here. So this video is on how to search Google to find better search results. So the first thing is last class we talked about the Pacific Northwest tree octopus and it's extinct because it has never ever existed. So the author of this website was Mr. Lyle Zapato, and I asked you guys to do last class is to Google query this person to try and find more information about him. So I'm going to show you a couple tricks and techniques to find that information in a slightly more refined, a better way. So if you guys were to go to Google and you were to type in this man's name and we were to search it up, it's going to give you a query with a ton of results with a lot of this information not very refined right now. So in order to find better information about him, we're going to start by using some quotation marks. So in trying to test the author itself, the authority, what we're going to do is we're going to search up, hopefully, that he has some sort of degree. We're trying to find what degree he went to and maybe what university he went to. So from searching up in quotes degree and university, I'm looking for web pages that have the word degree and the word university. Now the reason that I have these separated is because if I were to have them included, well, let's first hit enter. So these are searching for two different words. It's looking for the word degree and it's looking for the word university. So if I were to search degree, almost every website, if it can find it, has the word degree in it. It also has the word university in it. So both of those words are forcefully searched for and it's trying to find all that information. If I were to get rid of those quotes, in the middle, I would just have one quote. It's looking for exactly degree university. Obviously, we only have 81 search results because degree university isn't really a phrase. We're searching for not degree university, but degree and university. So we have to put in quotes the exact phrase that we're searching for, and then that will help us search for it. So in searching for this, we'll notice that we have a lot of different articles from different websites. And if I'm trying to specifically find information about this guy's degree, just like if you go to McDonald's and you ask people at McDonald's, hey, are your burgers good? They're obviously going to say yes because they can't say their own product that they're making money on is bad. So you want to find information from a website that was not created by Mr. Zapato. So as Zapatopi is Zapato's website, what we're going to now do to get even better information is we're going to omit something with a little minus next to it. So this minus is called the omit feature, and we're going to omit his website, zapatopi.net. And by omitting this website, it should give us absolutely nothing that has to do with his websites on the snippets over here for the URLs. So in searching for the word degree and university and not looking on his own website, we're going to be able to test the accuracy of this website. Now we have a couple of different search results here, and these search results should help us get the information that we're looking for this man that's going to eventually tell us that this dude is fake.